Let's see how to draw a supply and demand curve in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, as you know, supply and demand curves have an inverse relationship wherein if a certain material has a surplus in supplies, that means it is low in demand. Now, going the other way around, if the demand is high, that means the supply will go down or decrease as well. And to do that, let's create this graph right here. Let's insert our labels first. Click on the symbol text box. Make sure that you remove the shape fill and the shape outline and type your text. So at the bottom, we have time. And here at the side, we have resources. Now let's try and draw our lines. Now it can be something as simple as a straight line, wherein if there is a surplus in your resources, that means the demand is low. And if the demand is high, that means your resources will decrease. So if we draw that in a graph, it will look something like this. And let's add another line. Now let's add our labels. Let's say that this one is the demand right here. And if the demand lowers, that means that there will be an increase in the supply of materials. So let's go ahead and put our supply as the orange line. And if we look at it from this angle, we can see the inverse relationship between supply and demand. And that is how you can create a supply and demand curve in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.